Hey there. Today's video is I'm going to be replacing a heating element for an electric water heater. I ran a test on both this element and this element. So there's two nuts on the back of each heating element. This is a new replacement one. And I just put a voltage tester meter, an ohm meter across these two terminals here. And it was supposed to read, I think, around 30 ohms, and the bottom one was 0, so it was an open circuit, so it didn't register any resistance. So the bottom one's completely toast. I'm going to go double check, make sure that the electricity's off. I know it is, but double checking is great, especially when you're dealing with 240. And I didn't bring my voltmeter today, so I can't actually test it, so I just have to visually check it. So, if you don't know, when you have a really corroded or locked on nut, it's good to try to tighten it a little bit. Sometimes it's a little easier to get the threads to go in just a hair, and then you can back them out. Pretty sure it moved. So one of the things I find is super important with this kind of stuff is, it might sound weird, but honoring the metal and honoring the way that the metal works. And so, you know, not trying to force it to your will, but being patient with what the metal is capable of. And this is rotten old metal, so it's not capable of a lot of banging. It needs a lot of patient, subtle movement. Look at that, there it goes. That was rad. That was real. I didn't think we were going to get it. So this drain's not working. That's a bummer. Oh, I guess I'm just going to have to sit here and drain it out of this bottom element until we're there. So the reason that the let's see if you can see this, the drain wouldn't drain is that there was a ton of sediment in the bottom of the water heater. So I can't drain this. So what I'm doing is I just got a hose and I'm just blowing water into here, and it's just coming back out, and that's the best I can do without replacing the whole thing. Or oh, here's the old heating element, pretty torqued. You can see that it's actually fused together with corrosion right there. So here we go, straight swap, 4,500 watt. You can see it right. Can you see it? Can you see it? Probably not. 4,500 watt replacement heating element. filling up the tank to make sure there's no leaks. Okay, I think we're going to fire, well, we're going to put the cover on, and we're going to fire back up. And it sounds like the bottom one's going. If I had my testing gear with me, I would run a test, but don't have it. So there you go. Install today. We'll test it another time. Thanks for watching.